Today, we are going to take these valve covers off and we're going to plug some holes to keep it clean.
Let's get to it.
Yep, let's get to it.
Looks like you've got 4 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on each side. Other way, buddy. The clicking is not what you want. You want the other way. There you go. Feel like it's coming loose?
Yeah.
These ought to be real easy. Okay.
Hey, what are we?
That whole thing should just pop right off. Need a screwdriver? Here, wedge it in there. Like that, and pop it off. There you go. How's this side look? Actually, look pretty clean. The other side look good. Not a whole lot of gunk. But he's back. We're gonna do his motor because he wants to see some red. Show him what to do.
These 4 bolts off. Okay.
And then you take these. Throw those in the bag. Okay. Wrench right here.
Yeah.
And then here's your little spinner wrench.
Okay.
Once you get them loose. You guys got it?
Yep.
And your brother can help you too. See, that's why we put those in there.
Yeah, we know which one these.
Here, and then you can use this little magnet too if you want.
Oh yeah.
It'll keep them from rolling all over.
I forgot what.
Alright, you got it? Alright, I'm going to lunch. There you are. So while your brother's fiddle farting around with his motor, we're going to take this off, okay?
Yeah.
Take this off, and we'll pull this off and clean it. Alright, so what we got to do, we'll take that, we'll jam it on there, and we'll pull that baby out. Cool? Yeah, can you put it right on that nut and hammer it down?
No.
Sure you can. Yeah, put it on there first. Ready? It's on there. Now hit it. Anytime you're ready.
And then put it in.
You got it? Good! You got her! Here. Here. Hey! what we're gonna get, we're gonna take this timing cover off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, bolts all the way around and a couple down here in the bottom. So you start cranking and I'll go get a wrench and I'll help, okay? Ready? Do it. See if you can keep doing that and pry that thing off. Yeah, put your socket down. You just gotta, yeah, just drop the screwdriver and grab it with both hands and pick it up. Nice.
Now we gotta clean this up and then we can
Yep,
clean
now
it.
we'll clean that up. You had enough for one day?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got tired. We did a lot. Couple more demo things to do before we get to the fun part. I think we're gonna take these heads off next time in the oil pan, and that should be the last of the demo. And then we'll get to the cool stuff. We'll put everything back together, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time, guys. Okay, we gotta shove some of these dirty old socks in to keep the inside safe.
Jeez, I'm surprised Mom even lets you in the house.
The only reason why we have to do that is because you have an endless supply of teeth falling out of your head, and they're gonna go down in the motor, and then you can't give them to the tooth fairy.
I'm not trading my teeth for a couple of dirty nickels.